Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect an Authy account for two-factor setup on iPhone, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect an Authy account for two-factor setup on your iPhone, start by downloading the Authy app from the App Store. Open the App Store and search for Authy. Tap on Get to download and install the app on your device. Once installed, locate and open the Authy app. You will be prompted to enter your phone number. Enter your mobile number and select your country code from the drop-down menu. Tap on Next to proceed. Authy will send a verification code to your phone via SMS or call. Retrieve the code you receive and enter it into the app. Tap on Verify to confirm your phone number. Now, Authy will ask if you want to enable backups. Choose a backup option that suits you best. If you select Yes, create a secure backup password. If you prefer not to enable backups, you can skip this step. After verifying your account, you will see a welcome screen. Tap on Add Account to link another service that requires two-factor authentication. Here, you can scan a QR code or enter a code manually, depending on the service you are connecting. To scan a QR code, open the website or application for the service requiring two-factor authentication. Select the option to enable two-factor authentication and choose Set up with an Authenticator app. The service will display a QR code. Return to the Authy app and tap on Scan QR code. Point your camera at the QR code until it is recognized. Once scanned, the account will be added to your Authy app. You will now receive a one-time password for this account every time you need to log in. Keep the Authy app open for easy access to your codes in the future. If you need to add more accounts, repeat the steps for each one. You are now successfully set up with Authy for two-factor authentication on your iPhone. Make sure to keep your phone secure, as it will be essential for accessing your accounts. Enjoy the added layer of security that two-factor authentication provides. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.